Welcome to our training on the Marketplace Products Guidance New Products tool. When selling in the Amazon store, your products can reach many customers. But how do you find opportunities to release new products? How can you predict which products will perform well? Research can be the key to success. We can help you gain insights and make smart selling decisions with our Marketplace Products Guidance New Products tool, a special feature available to sellers with accounts in supported stores. Each of the products you sell has a unique Amazon Standard Identification Number, or ASIN. The tool uses your product's ASINs to look at the categories that you sell in, compare them to other ASINs in the same store, and give you personalized advice about opportunities for offering new products not currently in your catalog. The tool does this by using several calculations to predict which products will see high demand from customers, but low competition from other sellers, during the coming 120 days. This information is helpful for sellers because it shows opportunities to offer products that are currently in low supply, and thus have a high chance of purchase. Brand owners will find this information useful when deciding what similar products to sell or develop. You can find this tool by selecting Marketplace Products Guidance in the Growth menu in Seller Central. Also, if you have active recommendations from Amazon, an Add New Products card will appear on the Seller Central homepage showing a summary of recommendations. Selecting this card will take you to the Marketplace Products Guidance page. Once you've arrived, select New Products at the top of the page. The Marketplace Products Guidance New Products tool displays specific recommendations for each store. Select your target store at the top of the screen to see a list of recommendations for ASINs in that store that are experiencing a high demand but a low supply. The tool excludes bulky, heavy, and non-compliant items, like restricted products and hazardous materials, to ensure that you can act on recommendations with confidence. The tool also provides you with data attributes and metrics for the ASINs it recommends. The Opportunity Score is a measure of demand for the ASIN in the target store. This personalized product rank is unique for each seller based on the predicted demand for their ASINs in that store. Close to 600 factors are taken into consideration to determine the demand for ASINs in that international store in the next 120 days, such as customer glance views, sale velocity, and sale conversion. The Opportunity Score ranges from 750 to 1,000. The higher the score, the higher the demand for the product in that store. Other data points include the number of offers for that ASIN in the target store, the featured offer price, current demand, and customer ratings. Because demand and competition change frequently, these recommendations are refreshed every week to make sure you have the most up-to-date information. The tool provides a number of additional features to help you identify the product opportunities that best meet your needs. For each target store, you can use filters to narrow recommendations at the category, product type, and browse node level. Each filter category features a bar representing the opportunity score for that category in that store. You can also search for a specific browse node, which can be helpful if you don't know exactly which category or product type the node is organized under in the Amazon store. You can provide feedback using the icons next to each recommendation to show your preference for that item. If you dislike an item, selecting a thumbs down will remove it from future lists of recommendations. You can also provide feedback on recommendations in bulk with the feedback button at the top of the list. You can download a spreadsheet containing ASIN recommendations by selecting Download Product List. You can then analyze these recommendations offline. Whether you're a reseller, brand owner, or a manufacturer, the Marketplace Products Guidance New Products tool can help you sell more effectively. Remember that the Marketplace Products Guidance tool provides just that: guidance, not a guarantee. Use your judgment to decide if a recommendation is right for your business. As always, you're in control of what and where you sell. This concludes our training on the Marketplace Products Guidance New Products tool. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!